Hey first graders, welcome to your Math Talks with Mrs. Riley. Today we're going to be trying a subtraction word problem using a part-whole mat. So in a part-whole mat, you are taking two parts, just like I have a puzzle here with two different parts. And when you put them together, you make the whole thing because a part plus a part makes a whole. This is the same part-whole map we used for addition, but it can help us with subtraction. So there's two ways you can do it for subtraction with this map. So let's look at it. We have one part has 5. This part has, we don't know. I'm going to put a question mark because we just don't know. And then the whole has 9. So the first way to figure this out is to draw dots. I really like dots. So I'm going to draw 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 dots and some dots all together make 9 dots. So you could count up and see how many left are needed. So there's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 4 more dots in this box that would get us all the way to 9. That's one way to do it. The other way is to use subtraction, just to use it the way you know it. So we have 9 as the whole thing. Minus 5 is going to equal the missing part that's a question mark still. It's going to equal that. So I'm going to put 9 dots in the whole. Still use those dots I really like. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now that I have 9 dots, I can take away 5 and see how many are left. So let me take away 5. Oops. If it lets me click it, you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's see how many are left for the last part. 1, 2, 3, 4 are left. So that means the missing part was 4. The missing part was 4. Now remember, something that will help you do this is to know that the bottom number is always the biggest. I mean, even look at the squares they have, squares and rectangles. The whole is really long, but the parts are just smaller pieces that equal the whole. Now in this picture, you have one part has 2 dogs. It says it right there, 2 dogs. Down here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dogs. Let me write that down. There are 6 dogs down here for the whole. So we have to figure out how many is missing in this part. Okay, so we have 6 minus 2 equals the missing part. Now remember, there's 2 ways to do this. You can count up or you can use subtraction. But again, I do like my dots because they help me, okay? So I'm going to put 2 dots right here. 1, 2. And I need to keep counting until I get to 6. So there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many more dots did I need to get to 6? Well, I needed 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6 minus 2 is 4. All right, last step. We're going to try this with a word problem. Whenever you have a word problem, you guys, please be sure to read the entire word problem. This problem says Greg has 12 pencils in his pencil case. 5 of the pencils are sharpened. How many are not sharpened? Okay, so how many pencils did Greg have all together? It says it right here. 12 pencils all together. So I'm going to put 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 pencils all together. 5 of those pencils were sharpened. So 5 of the 12 that he already has, you guys, are sharpened. So I'm going to take and put 5 to be sharpened. 5 are already sharpened. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are sharpened. How many are not sharpened? So we have to find a number they did not give us. So they told us that 5 go here, 12 altogether. That is 12 minus 5. Now we know there's 5 here, so you can continue counting up. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many dots did we have to draw to get to 12? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 12 minus 5 is 7. All right, you guys, I hope that was helpful for you, and I hope you enjoyed your math talk with Mrs. Riley. I will talk to you all soon. Bye.